Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. A common question I get from people all time they're saying, "Brother, how can I learn English? How can I speak English? How can I study my reading room without sleeping? When I go to listen something, when I go to study, when I go to speaking, I feel sleepy and I can't continue." And after listening few minutes, few hours, few seconds, it can be half an hour, and I get sleepy. This problem I'm facing all the time. So what is the solution for that? What can I do? What can I do? Help me, brother. What can I do? And say something about that. How I will remove my this habit, and how I will enjoy listening, how I will enjoy studying. What is the solution? So what can I do? You are listening English sitting on a chair, the same table, the same seat. All the time you are listening, you are studying the same places, and you feel bored sitting on the same position. And after a few seconds, after a few minutes, you get sleepy, right? So I have a suggestion for you. You can go outside and you can listen something in outside. You can put your audio on your mobile phone, on your iPad, and you can put earphone on your ear, and then you can listen by walking. I will say you try to shake your body, try to move your body all the time, and look around like that. Look around and look at the tree, look at the land, look at the people, and try to listen with carefully, with attention, and walk in the street, walk beside the road, walk beside the land, and try to listen. You can't feel bored. The same position, the same chair, the same table you are using all the time beside the walls, and after a few seconds, after a few minutes, you get sleepy. So stop that and try to listen in the outside. Okay, when you'll go to outside and listen carefully, your mind will catch that, and you will get positive energy. And you can't bore if you listen in the outside. The same chair, the same wall, the same table, you are sitting long time, and that's why you are feeling bored. So drop this habit, go outside. It's a special things for you because you feel bored inside in the room, right? So drop it, this habit. Go outside and practice every day, listen every day. You'll get motivation, you'll get energy. So my dear brothers, this was the most common question, common problem for every people, for every student who are learning English, who are very interested to learn English. So this is the solution. You can follow that solution. Again, I would like to thanks all the viewers from my natural studio. I'll see you another day with valuable topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.